Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by opening Teams and joining the meeting. Do this now so you can change settings live. Once in the meeting, make sure your camera is active so the preview appears. Next, look for the meeting control bar along the bottom or top of the window. You'll use that bar to access video effects quickly, which is faster than digging through settings. Keep your camera preview visible while you proceed so you can see the blur happen in real time. Now click the More Actions menu, the three dots, and select Apply Background Effects or Background Filters. This opens the background panel. You'll see thumbnails including None, Blur, and Virtual Backgrounds. Pick Blur to soften everything behind you without changing colors. Use Preview to confirm how the blur masks your surroundings and to check edges around hair and hands. Once satisfied, click Apply or Apply and Turn on Video, so the change becomes Finish by confirming blur is active in your live feed and continue the meeting. If you don't see the blur, make sure Teams is up to date and restart the app. Sometimes a sign out or reboot clears camera locks. Also verify camera permissions in OS settings and that your camera driver is current. If you're on the web, switch to a supported browser. One key troubleshooting tip: close other apps using the camera, then reapply the blur so Teams can access the feed properly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.